Hi everyone. If you're having trouble getting your Mac to charge or turn on, I'm here to help. First, make sure your power adapter is plugged in and the connection is secure. If it's not plugged in, your Mac won't charge. If the power adapter is plugged in, check the power source. Make sure it's working as it should. If the outlet isn't working, try another outlet. If that doesn't work, try resetting your Mac's system management controller. To do this, press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, try resetting the NVRAM. To do this, press and hold the Command Option P and R keys on your keyboard. If that still doesn't work, you may need to reset your Mac's SMC. To do this, shut down your Mac and unplug the power adapter for at least 15 seconds. If none of these steps work, you may need to take your Mac to an Apple store or an authorized service provider. If you're still having trouble, you can always get in touch with Apple support. They can help you diagnose and fix the issue. I hope these steps help you get your Mac up and running again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.